Hello guys, most welcome to Technology Welfare. See, in this video tutorial I would like to show you how you will do jailbreak iOS in any iPhone. Yes, if that is iOS 11 you would like to update latest one, then through jailbreak. So just I would like to tell you there's some procedure just you have to follow. Easily you will be able to, of course, do any iOS in your iPhones, iPad. So let's see here. Just you have to do nothing here. Connect your data device in your laptop, your PC. Alright, now see here, if that is cloud already activated, off. So see here my dear, activation log is already on. However, I would like to do iOS 12.1.3, that is latest one, through iTunes. But I will do jailbreak. So here see, first and foremost you have to visit this website. That is www.ipodhack142.com. Here you will be easily get all kind of the jailbreak, that is for see here iPhone 4S, iPhone 5 GCM, global iPhone 5, 5S GCM model, at global model. So here see, just I would like to hear this one. iPhone 5S global model, that is mine. A 1530 model number. So see, this is my phones. It's already cloud locked. But if you would like to jailbreak, then go for just firstly turn off your find iPhone. You have to turn off find my phones, then go for jailbreaks. Otherwise there is nothing wrong it. Thus if you know, then no problem. With activated, if the cloud activation locked, however you can do. So just here I have to do, of course, keep in a DF mode, of course, with the help of home button plus on off button. We will hold on off button plus home button. Alright, then we will keep in DFO mode. So see here. Alright, now it's in a, now see my dear, you have to firstly with the help of home button of iPhone plus on off button, just hold, it will show you DFO mode. Then what you have to do now, just to go for here cancel. Now here my dear, I would like to tell you that I have already this downloaded in my PC. So just I would like to do jailbreak for demo. Because if you would like to download, then just you have to do nothing, just see 5S global I would like to have. So just you have to go for download links. Alright, it will give you directly. Now see, it's 84 GB. So that will take much time, of course, to download. So that's why actually I have already downloaded. Now at the moment, with live I would like to do jailbreak. So now here what you have to do, here I will click on restore phone. How? Just with the help of pressing shift button. Yes, because directly if you click here, then of course directly if you click here, then of course it will automatically updated through your online. So this is a very important things that you have to online. Of course your PC, your laptop should be connected to internet. Then just I will do, we will press the C button and we will click on. With holding shift button we will click on iPhone restore. Then see, I have kept after downloading, yes, iOS 12. So here I will go in a, now see, for 5 hours I have kept this one. Yes, it's approximately, my dear, 2.85 GB. So here I will go this one, that's iPhone 4.0 bit, of course, that is the latest version. Yes, 12.1.3. So just I will go for here, this will, I will select this one and go for open. Alright, now here see one message, read carefully. Your iTunes will erase and restore your iPhone to iOS 12.1.3 and will verify the restore with Apple. So just I will go for here restore. Alright, now see it's started to extract software and install. So now see, through, yes, this procedure you can do jailbreak of any iPhone, your iPad, yeah, iTelevisions. So now see, it will have the time to, of course, restore and install of these jailbreaks, because as we know that it's approximately more than 2 GB, so it will have time, and whatever your previous data, that will be erased. So this is easy procedure to do jailbreak of any cell phone device, because as we know that iPhone 4, yes, 4S there, of course we cannot actually yes, there is a limitation that we cannot update of the iOS 9, yeah, iOS 10, yeah, iOS 11, yeah, 12.1.3 latest one. So if you would like to do, then of course with the help of iTunes, yes, you can do jailbreak of that easily. So just to see, it will extract the whole phone. It will take a scarcely, of course, 10 to 20 minutes. Then it will restart and it will, of course, erase the whole data of previous. So just now see, if you would like to directly online, then yes, if you would like to, of course, update directly online, then you know that actually if you have the iPhone 4, yeah, 4S, then you cannot do, of course, iOS 10, yeah, iOS, of course, 12.1.3, yeah, iOS 11. So yes, directly you have to press the shift button, of course, shift button of your laptop and click on only one, yes, iPhone restore. Then it will assist to you, go in manually, and whatever you have downloaded from here, my dear, from this website, whatever, according to, of course, then whatever iOS you have selected, then go for. So see here, 12.2 beta has been also given directly, of course. So any jailbreak, of course, easily you can do. If you don't know which one will be suitable, then just go for identify, of course, and download just you have to download the one application that is a identifier of iOS, yeah, model number of your cell phones, and then you will be easily available. Yes, then you will be easily do. So here nothing, just to see. Now almost I have done here. So this is a procedure, of course, to jailbreak of any cell phone of especially iPhone, my dears. As we know that Android, for that we are rooting, and for iPhones device we are doing a jailbreak. Here see all kind of the especially iOS has been given for every model. So if you have been using 4S, of course, and you would like to use the iOS 12.1.3, yeah, 11 iOS, yeah, of course, 12.2, then of course directly you can go for here and just go for direct download. Yes, download with IDM. Now see, my dear, here now preparing phone for restore. So just you have to wait till, of course, manually your system is, yes, manually your system of iPhone is not restart. So see, it will take the time, of course, 5 to 10 minutes more. So actually, you know that this video time will be, as we know, I mean, increase. So just here, just you have to do nothing, just see, restoring iPhone software now. So this is a simple procedure. Of course, my dear, you can do jailbreak of any cell phones. Now see my cell phone. Yes, restoring iPhone software, this all. So just now within actually 5 minutes my cell phone will be now started. So do any jailbreak with the help of iTunes. But one thing I would like to tell you, actually my window is of course actually 10, last updated version. So according to you, of course, window and iTunes download, then of course, because as we know that in my laptop device, see here, I have already installed iTunes, and through that, of course, I am doing jailbreak of my iPhone 5s. So this is all about in this video tutorial, my dears, because as we know now my phone restoring iPhone software. So now actually within 5 minutes my cell phone will be started with, of course, iOS 12.1.3. So this is all about. Of course, if my video has been benefited to you in any way, then please like and subscribe, because this is a thing that will inspire to me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time.